Today we're solving 6 divided by 1 half times 2. We're going to analyze the common mistake that leads to an incorrect result, and then apply the strict algebraic rules to solve it correctly. Let's first look at the incorrect way this problem is commonly solved. Many people see the letters M and D in PEMDAS, and mistakenly think multiplication must always come before division. Multiplying 1 half by 2 gives 1. Then dividing 6 by 1 leaves an incorrect answer of 6. Now let's solve it the correct way by looking at the true operational hierarchy. In the order of operations, division and multiplication actually share the exact same priority rank. When these operators appear together, we must calculate them strictly from left to right, like reading a sentence. This makes the division on the far left our mandatory starting point. Dividing by a fraction is mathematically the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. Flip 1 half upside down to get 2 over 1, which is just 2. This transforms our first step into 6 multiplied by 2. Execute the multiplication step on the left. Multiplying 6 by 2 equals 12. Replace the first block with 12, updating our running expression to 12 times 2. Perform the final multiplication step to complete the problem. Multiplying 12 by 2 equals 24.